Yeah, you can probably hear me now. Yeah, I have my mic muted. I was like kind of concentrating low key. Yeah, I have my mic muted. I'm just testing out the stream just to get back in the swing of things. But I'm also trying to build this PC. So using mobile internet, so the stream will lag for me. I mean, you don't gotta stay, bro. I was probably about to end it anyway. I'm just going through like differences in RAM right now. Pick. So like this is the overall pick, but I want this in white. There it goes. But this one's 32 for some reason. I missed out on the toxic skin. I don't know what's coming back soon. I do get Wi-Fi today. Mhm. Yeah, bro. I mean, those skins rotate in and out like all the time. We got bigger plans to get to, low key. I was talking conscious, like, yo, we spent way too much money on Fortnite. We need to be like working on YouTube and everything like that. Like I was saying, like we need to lock in. Like the skins on Fortnite are cool, but I don't think Fortnite is gonna be like our main driver. Like we have way too many people we play with now. GTA 6 is coming out in what I think the end of the year. Fall 2025. So like yeah, we need to start working towards getting you your system so that you're able to play it. I'm wondering like I'm also wondering how online play is gonna work for that. So like this needs to be our primary focus. Yeah, I'll still waiting on the thing so I can try to get a little bit set up for myself. Yeah, I wish I could just send you my computer that I have because I know you said yours broke or it was acting weird, but you said what? It'll be like 2 years before you're able to get to Canada, worst case scenario. Low key, we might be able to plan a trip so that you can come out to Canada and then you could just pick up the laptop yourself. But piano queen, that's not the one. We'll work out a lot of this stuff later, bro. Like I'm just kind of glad to be heading back and figure out that stuff first, and then from there we will devise a plan. Like I said, Conscious is pretty on board with everything. I got Kaizen that I gotta work on. I got the YouTube channel I gotta work on. So I know before we were kind of chilling, that too would work, but it takes a lot to. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, we have time. I'm trying to figure out why this doesn't just. Maybe I go with the gray. Let me look at motherboards first. 32. This is 660 DDR5. And then we have the other dominator, 36,000. I'm trying to figure out 232s. This is 232s. Sure, we'll get a laptop and do a little mobile stream to wait for the system. Yeah, I mean, it's all in the works. The thing is, we have to start generating money off of everything that we're doing. This is 249 though, and it's cheaper than this one. But this is faster speeds. All right, I'll just go with this for now, and then I'll figure it out later. The MSI 8 is the motherboard is using an older, so let's pick the motherboard. The motherboard, well, I could go with the silver low key, the white and silver, but I'm not sold on this GPU or this motherboard. This is a MSI. All right, so everything's compatible. Yeah, I like Corsair a lot. Is that Shroud? This man. Asus Rogue Strike. PC parts have become way too expensive if we're being real. White and silver. Yeah, I think that's the move for sure. But I haven't done enough research on these motherboards because I'm not trying to pay arm and a leg. And I'm not like set on fully building this PC right now. Because I have my laptop for now, so I can play on this. But it's just a price versus accessibility. Gigabyte. Yeah, because this was the one I had before. Silver and white AM5. The only thing is, so like, also Asus Rogue is pretty good. That's disgusting price on that. A lot of people have been hyping up this Asus Rogue. That's an X670E. I've also heard Asus Rock, but I don't like that color. Let's do this. Right now. Do need to get a cooling fan for your. Yeah, I already got it set up. Need these. It only supports DDR5. So we do white and then like silver, silver and white. see what options we have. So these are our options. We have Gigabyte, Asus ROG, it's 299. Not bad. I really like that, but I don't like the price. All these have 5-star ratings, so I've always gone with MSI, but a couple of Asus ROG fanboys have been kind of hyping up. I don't even think this one is dropped yet, because like it's got a grayed out area. But like if this is a tested one, this is off at 3. Apparently this one is really good because it has 10 reviews. But I've never messed with Gigabyte's interface. It's also on Best Buy with free shipping. I do like that. That is actually pretty nice. So we got 4, 5, 6, 7. There's a lot of USB slots. But this one is 289, so I'm paying like almost 300. This one's 359 though. Elite and then the Pro Ice. What's the difference? This one is also the Best Buy. It has one picture though. What you up to today though? Besides watching the stream. What time are you going to put Wi-Fi on? And then I thought Benny, what day is it? Is Benny streaming tonight? So he'll be streaming like tomorrow my time. So, and Switch 2 gets announced. So I need to have a class at 1 p.m. I don't even know which time schedule you're on now. Right, so you got about 2 hours. Probably not. You probably got about an hour before you actually got to leave them. AMD. I don't know why this internet is acting so slow. I could get an open box. I wouldn't be opposed to that. 3 p.m. Okay, cool, cool. I mean, I'm pretty much chilling for today. I was gonna go hang out with everybody, but it sounds like they're in for the night. Yeah, let me see. I always forget because we're flying the other way, so I'm gaining hours and putting you guys further behind me. Yeah, it's only 7:25 a.m. So that means he'll be streaming in like 24-ish hours, which I may or may not be somewhere else. Yeah, I mean, it's been 6 months since I've been gone, so low key, I'm just glad to be coming back. Here, let's see what Best Buy has. Then we have two. Yeah, I'll sleep. I just drank some coffee, so I'm gonna be up for a little while. I got some editing to do. Let's see. So I got the channel, like my first video for the channel that I should have posted a long time ago. Some Marvel Rival videos, a lot of Marvel Rival videos. Then Fortnite, which I'm pretty sure I got videos in here I need to edit. This is videos I've already edited. There's a couple of L's in here though. Glad I was able to get you the caper skin at least. Let's do a display. Yeah, I got us in here queued up. Uh, this was just us chilling in the lobby. We'll do it later. This is kind of a disappointment. They have no white motherboards. This place says they have it. It says Best, or it says it's in stock at Best Buy. Oh, it got dark super quick. Yeah, the sun was out like 2 minutes ago, but I think also we have like what you call it? Where's my It's a little bit better. Oh, here it goes. Black would well. Oh, so I didn't show you my case. Mm, I mean, I could go black, but I kind of already set my sights on this one. Wait, yeah. So I've kind of set my sights on this, but they also have a black version, which the black version is $10 cheaper. Low stock, only eight left. I could go black. I don't know if white PC parts are actually more expensive, to be honest. Let's go look. Because to be honest, like, well, all right. So the only reason why I want to go white, yeah, I got water cooling in here. Let's see. So this is just a mock-up build. I'm going with the Liam Lie. I might swap this one though. It's got 5-star ratings, so no complaints so far. Nicely, well, tail fans, I have to look great. We wish it was also came in 420 and optimal. Oh, these fans. It's kind of wild that people are putting. So this is like somebody else's build. It's kind of dope, but I don't want to be too flashy with it because like this is a work computer, bro. Like, but it'll be this water cooler, these fans. So essentially, this is kind of what it'll look like, but this is a different case. I was gonna go with this case, but then my homeboy sent me the other one. But like, see, I don't like how it looks like where it's a black motherboard, like with all white parts. I guess that comes standard with everything. Is like those pictures on it, and then I still have to build my streaming PC, so something like this will probably actually work. This is actually a pretty solid case, which I've been looking at this case. I think it's a thermal, but this is for like a later time. He went with the Gigabyte. Congratulations, your build's been featured on the page. Corsair Dominator 64. DDR5. It's super cheap. This is only good to the sixth. Though. You got a 4 star. Other than RGB not being even used in the middle of the bar, clean looking RGB, but you should expect these as you consider how much they cost. It's the same one I was looking at. Yeah, it's the same one, but on New Egg, it's like $30 cheaper. I think Best Buy does price matching too. And then 9900X3D. Let's just say we go with the ice. Well, that one's not right. I could go with the silver. Accessible. See, just want to see how many slots it has on the back. All right. So we're looking at it has an HDMI and DP, which doesn't matter so much. Uh, 3 slots for Thunderbolt, which is good. Then we have like a lot of USBs, Wi-Fi 7. Probably won't have Wi-Fi, low key. Well, it'll have like Wi-Fi already built in, but like let's just add this to the port list. Way too well. Trying to keep it under a certain price. I already have the video card. My homeboy selling me one, and then there was this is the one, 2 terabytes. The compatibility is good too. So it looks like this is built for the AM5. Terabytes. So the problem I ran into before, like I probably went 4 terabytes, which is like $10 more. So I get like 2 of these. That way I can also, yeah, 4 terabytes is kind of wild, but I have 10 terabytes on my regular thing. If I'm recording, it makes sense. But the thing is, I'm gonna have to take my recordings and everything and transfer them. But it just gives me, if I have 4 terabytes, like it makes it a little bit easier because, like, if I'm streaming for like 4 to 5 hours, well, I probably won't even stream for like 4 to 5 hours, but I'm not sure how much memory I'm gonna need for the, what you call it. Maybe I do this, I do a 2 terabyte, and then I do like, so like all together I have 6 terabytes, or is it cheaper to just buy the six straight out? No, I'll do a two. So I'll have four for like raw footage, and then I'll transfer everything to the 2 terabyte whenever I get ready to upload and everything like that. And then from there, I can just drop everything on my 10 terabyte. I don't know why this is showing like 195 because it doesn't, it's more expensive on all these other sites. They're still pretty decently low. The power supply is the one that's going to be the problem. I'm definitely going with the Corsair. It's either 1,000 or 1,200. Right. Of course, it's not showing me the one. Let's do this. That's all my damn new one I can play. All right, bro. I'm about to end this anyway, so I was just testing out the stream. Obviously, it works since you've been able to watch me for this long. But yeah, bro, I'll catch you in a little bit. They don't have any Corsair. Okay. I just want to see what the power. So let's go with like, let's just go with this one and see what the power supply looks like. So estimated wattage is only 312. I gotta add a GPU, and then that'll probably tell me what the actual. So it's just a 4070. With the gigabyte. So we're at 512 wattage. Low key going with the 850 might not be bad. But let's see if it's not including this. let's do this. Let's just say that we upgrade it and go to like a 5090 or a 5080. Let's just do 4080. This in core speed. Let's just do this. 597. All right, we should be good with a 850 power supply. All right, bro. I'll catch you later. About to just end this. Stream works. We all good.